Right now we are coming live from Atsime. Our artist Tabudzwa Leroy Guja doing the painting of the legendary Mukanya. Next to the paintings, Bob Marley, Tukufa, right is Choniso Maraide.
She tell me say she want to be friends with benefits.
Different stars being exhibited by the artist from Chalk, Boy, some paint.
Future me see me and doing there, but once see every day, believe me, girl, you give me the sweetest touch, and that's why me love you so much. Girl, you squeeze me so tight, 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 everything right, right, right. Girl, you give me the sweetest touch, and that's why me love you so much.